Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Umi Kalsum. You can call me Umi. I'm from English Education Department, Faculty of Teaching and Education, University of 19 November Kolaka. So today I want to talk about storytelling. Of course, the first thing we should know is what is storytelling. Okay. Storytelling is a storytelling technique that is presented by someone to entertain the audience. Storytelling emphasizes the presenter's ability to convey stories with style, intonation, and props to make the audience interested. Next is generic structure. Storytelling have three generic structure. First is orientation. Orientation lies in the first paragraph in a storytelling narrative text. In this section, it contains information about what, where, when, and who. In this section will be described the perpetrators in the story, where, when, and what happened. Second is complication. In this complication section, the characters in the story experience conflict. There is friction between the perpetrators of the event that makes the story even more exciting. Where this friction also raises opposition. In theory, conflict is generally divided into three types, namely social conflict, two is natural conflict, and psychological conflict. And the third is resolution. The resolution part is the conclusion of the end of the story, where the conflict is easy. The ending of this story can be a happy ending story or a sad ending story. Next is purpose. Storytelling have 7 purpose. First is give a sense of pleasure, happiness, and create the audience imagination. Second, provide new experience and add audience insight. 3, opening insight and understanding of a story. 4, get moral values and ethics that can be applied in every life. 5, train the catch and concentration of the audience. 6, presenters can practice speech style and increase vocabulary. And the last is practicing the audience thinking and fantasy. Next is tips in storytelling. I have 3 tips if you want to storytelling. First is facial mimic. The storytelling presenter must be able to present a face according to the character or atmosphere in the story, whether it's when angry, sad, or happy. 2 is sound. The high and low voice must also be considered by the storytelling presenter. The intonation of the voice is useful as a reflection of the story and indicates that the story is starting to enter a tense stage. And the last is body move. As a good fairy tale presenters, gesture must be used so that in bringing the story more interesting and exciting. I think that's all for me. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.